crispy, golden fried chicken. We got some KFC kind of vibes going on here. The internet is full of fried chicken recipes, but can you make my version in 10 minutes? Not sure. Maybe 15 minutes.
10/15.
10/15. Marion spends 10 minutes opening the garlic. Shake this. Oh, no. Okay guys, so I have an unusual challenge today in that I've challenged myself to make fried chicken in 10 minutes flat because, I mean, the quicker you can make chicken, the better. So this is my TFC, Thai fried chicken. Let's get going, shall we? 10 minutes? 10 minutes. I don't even know what the other rules are, but 10 minutes is the time rule. So there you go. I better get my oil heating up. Now I haven't tried this out yet, so I don't know. I'm just gonna freestyle. I think it's gonna be okay. We'll see. I'm using chicken thigh because you know me, I'm a legs and thighs girl. Now I do want to have boneless here. I think we'd be a bit silly to try and do a bone-in chicken in 10 minutes because I am a bit worried about the cooking time. But the important part here is that I need to wash my chickeny hands. And hold my microphone at the same time. Anyway, chicken is cut. I want to do a little marinade. So we're not. I mean, it's not technically 11 herbs and spices, not even close. But it's a Thai fried chicken, not the Colonel's fried chicken. And I'm going to be doing classic Thai, like a classic Thai flavored paste here if I can get my garlic to open. Oh, goodness. Marion spends 10 minutes opening the garlic. And I'll just get these skins off. I've got my oil heating up, so that's one thing, one less thing. I guess I want that oil nice and hot. But not too hot because I don't want, the outside to burn before the inside is cooked. So that's the challenge, I think. That's the challenge today, aside from the 10-minute situation. White peppercorns. So white peppercorns, garlic, this is a very traditional kind of Thai flavor. Now I do have some little tricks up my sleeve for how to get that lovely brown color and how to do the coating on the chicken in 10 minutes. Okay, that we'll have to do. Right. So this is basically like the flavoring. This is my 11 herbs and spices, but in just 2, garlic and spice. Fish sauce, that looks like fish sauce. Extra pinch of salt there too. Mix that up. What am I looking at here? Oh, 7 minutes, okay. Right, I better get going. Okay, now my little secret weapon here is actually tempura batter flour, because tempura batter flour has baking powder in it, also a little bit of cornstarch. So baking powder is going to help with the browning. That's going to make things brown quicker. Cornstarch is going to lighten everything up. So I want to make a batter. Oh, and I forgot, I wanted to add a little bit of sugar in there as well to kind of help with some browning. I don't want to make it sweet, but I just want to help with the browning situation. Okay, so batter. All right, I want to get some more flour in a little container here. Just dip all of that in there. All right, so I think this is how it's going to work. Goodness, muscles. So let me check on the oil temperature. Maybe I should have put less oil. It's getting there, we've got 6 minutes, oh my goodness. Come on. So I'm waiting for the little bubbles. So I'm putting my chopstick in here, hoping that this is gonna get hot enough. Okay. In the meantime, I'm going to get this chicken straight into our batter. All right. Mix it around. Now to get that kind of like craggly, crusty coating, I want to put all of my chicken into here. Okay. Just wipe my hands. Oh, that's the 5-minute timer. Okay. Okay. Shake this. Oh! No! It's okay. We're okay. It looks messy, and it is messy, but I think this is gonna work. So we should now have some like crusty, craggly, coated piece of chicken. Okay, now, is that gonna get any hotter? Maybe I should take some oil out. Should I take? Jamie's like, don't put the chicken in. Okay, I'll wait. This though, look at this. Check this out. I mean, look at all this lovely, crispy kind of coating thing we got going on here. Don't look at the mess. Oh my goodness. Don't look at the mess. Look at the chicken only. I mean, I think we're good. We're good now. I'm getting some "you're not good" looks happening from the crew, but that's all right. We're just gonna go in here and have a look. It's bubbling. Oh yeah, it's bubbling. Okay. All right. Go, go, go. Okay, maybe I'm pushing my luck with any more pieces. I think we're just gonna have to go with that many. One less piece for you to eat, Dax. And now it's just a waiting game. Look, I've even got time to tidy up. Look at that.
You told me when to stop, Jamie.
Oh, we're out of time. Okay, let me see how much overtime we get.
Am I out? Yeah.
We're out of time. But we're nearly there. I mean, I reckon we're literally like 1 minute overtime. I've started the timer again so I can see. Okay, we'll put this in the time challenge failed bucket, but now all we've got is flavour. Was it worth the extra 3 minutes? We'll see.
You said 15 minutes.
I did say originally, the recipe I've written myself, look, I wrote myself a recipe and it says 15 minutes. But then I was like, nah. Oh well. You live and you learn, Jamie, you live and you learn.
What have you done?
You can't make fried chicken in 10 minutes. Doesn't matter what YouTube tells you, you can't make fried chicken in 10 minutes. Okay, well, can we hit the 15? Let's try for that. Because this is looking really good. So, Dax, would you like that story now on the history of garlic? So no. So originally which is why the reason why there's a lot of white peppercorn and black peppercorn like in like a lot of the Thai marinades is because originally they didn't have chili, they had the peppercorns. The chilies didn't come till about the 15th, 16th century with the trading people that came from South America. So there you go. You know, I'm in high demand for dinner party conversation. I did. Yes, they were also from the same deal. Same guy. Imagine if you were the guy, right? And you're like, imagine if you were the guy and you rock up and you're like, hey guys, check out these beautiful tomatoes. It's true. No, you wouldn't want to be that guy. Oh my God, we are looking really good in here though. Okay, well, we're 4.5. Okay, I think we can make the 15 minutes if I really hurry without burning myself. Okay. Quick. Could have told one less story about the chilies. Hello, look at that. Look at that. I mean, there you go, 15 minutes. That would have been 5 minutes over. Should have stuck to the 15. I'm pretty happy with that though. Look at that. Look at that. Look at. I love this situation, Jamie. Thank you. I said I wanted to make fried chicken, KFC fried chicken, and look what I got.
MFC.
MFC.
Marion's fried chicken.
Marion's fried chicken. There you go. In 10-ish minutes. No, 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes. But so I'm going to put some sweet chili sauce. I also love coconut sriracha sauce here. So either one of those. Better try it out. I mean, check this out. Look at that. See that coating? I mean, this is what I was after, right? Like that crispy, craggly kind of, you know, crunchy and delicious looking kind of situation. That's what we want.
Get in a bit closer.
Get in a bit closer on that, Dax. Get in a bit closer.
Yeah. Look at that.
Look at that. Haha, you ready? Oh my god, that is too good. You hear how crunchy that is? That is delicious. Oh my goodness. It's really hot. Coconut sriracha is really spicy too. Okay, so we didn't do 10, but this is really good for 15 minutes. I'm gonna call it a win anyway. Because that's my prerogative, isn't it? I won, yay! Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, why not hit the like button? And even better, I would love so much if you would subscribe and even hit that little bell button so you get notified every time I release a new delicious video. Thanks guys.